everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be learning how to make this cute little envelope heart keyring. Why wait? Let's dive in. Materials required are 2.5 mm crochet hook, scissors, needle, red and white cotton 4-ply yarn, which I'll be using 2 strands together. Let's get started by making our heart applique first. So I'll be holding the 2 yarns together like this, and we will be making a magic ring and working in the magic ring itself. First we will be making chain 3, 1, 2, 3, working double treble, so that's our first double treble. That's the second one. We will be making 3 like that. 1, 2, 3. Now we will be making 3 double crochets. One, 2, 3. We will be working chain 1 and double treble. There. If you want, you can tighten this magic ring and continue working, or you can do it at the end. So now we will be working 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Next, we will be working 3 double treble. And this is the third one. Now we will be working chain 2 and making a slip knot in the magic ring. Now we will be tightening this tail of the magic ring. There we have our heart applique ready. You can make as many as you want. Now we will be fastening it off, leaving a small tail there, and pull this out. There you go. Your first heart applique is ready. Now we will be taking the white yarn with the same technique, holding 2 strands together. We will be making our envelope. So first we will be making a slip knot. and then we will be working chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we have chain 20 here. Then we will be working on the second stitch from the hook. Single crochet, 1, and then all the way till the end of this chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Now our first row is completed. There, what we will be doing is we will be working chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet all the way in all the 19 stitches. We will be working same single crochet in each row until we get our perfect square. If you like this video, please hit the thumb button and ring the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. And please do subscribe. And there we are at the end of this row 2. Like this, we will be continuing till row 18 or 19 until we get a nice square, and continue the same chain 1 and turn your work and single crochet all the way till 19. I'll meet you back once I am done with all the 19 rows. This is how your work should look like. So when you measure, it should come up to 8.5 centimeters. And now you have got a perfect square. So we will be folding it from one corner like this, and another corner like this, and the third corner like this. So we will be cutting the tail here, and using the needle we will be sewing all these corners together like this. Then this is how it is going to cover up, and we will be putting our heart applique here. Leaving a long tail, I am cutting this part, and we will make a slip knot in the end and pull it all out. There. With the needle. We will work from one corner to another corner. There. Like that. If you want, you can use a marker to hold these two up together. What I'll do is, I'll just start with the last stitch there. So once these two are connected, we will go in the second stitch, single crochet, and from the bottom we will go to the single crochet that is opposite to it. There. And then we will go again in the next stitch, go below the stitch, below the opposite stitch, there. The end here. Once we reach the end, what I would like to do is just go in any of the stitch and then make a simple knot, pull it out. So we are securing this stitch there. Go back in the same space like this and come out. And then we will be cutting that yarn there. So that's done. This is how it should look. Now we will be folding the third corner like this and securing this together. We will be attaching the yarn to this corner and we will be going all the way up till here. And our cute little envelope is almost ready. We will be adding our heart applique here. You can always use some glue gun to secure these ends, loose ends. And also, if you don't want to sew this up to the envelope, you can use a glue gun and stick it to it like this. And there we have our cute envelope ready. And now I always like to stitch, so I'm going to use the needle and secure it. You can always use the glue gun and stick to the envelope like this. And that's it. We will just tie these knots and fasten it off. Here is our cute envelope with heart applique ready. So what I like to do is I'll be using this key ring and attaching it to the corner. There we have it. There, it's secure. And now we have our heart applique keyring ready. This will be a perfect gift for anyone you love. Go ahead and try it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And thank you for watching. Bye.